The screws, the first step to always do before you to check if it's the right screw is to see if it fits in, and not only fits in but it should thread in, go into the threads properly. So this seems like the nice one, the correct one. This is labeled as E. These, so okay, so that means this is the right one. This arrow is facing in the front.
It's facing in the front, so
and
this will be in the back like this,
yeah,
right?
correct. This will be in the back. Then we just have to put it in like this. Yeah, and it'll click into place. And then first we just hand tighten it.
Okay.
And then we actually tighten it with this thing.
This will be pretty much the same, right?
Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Yeah.